In this video, I'll guide you through how to change the font size in Gmail so your emails are easier to read and look exactly the way you want. Whether your text feels a bit too small or you just want certain parts to stand out, adjusting the font size is a simple way to improve your messages. Let's start from the very beginning. First, open Gmail in your web browser and sign into your account if you aren't already. Make sure you're on the main inbox screen where you can see your emails. This is important because the font size controls we'll use only appear when you're composing a new message, not while you're just viewing the inbox. Next, look toward the top left of the Gmail interface and find the Compose button. Go ahead and click Compose. This opens a new message window, usually in the bottom right corner of the screen. Here you'll see the fields for the recipient, the subject line, and the main body of the email where you'll type your message. Type out the text of your email in the message body first. It's usually easier to adjust the font size after you've written what you want to say, because then you can clearly see which parts you want to make larger or smaller. You can write your entire email or just a few lines to test the settings. Now that you have some text in the body of the email, it's time to highlight the portion you want to change. Using your mouse or trackpad, click and drag over the text to select it. You should see the text become highlighted, which tells you Gmail knows exactly which words you want to modify. If you want to change the size of the entire message, press Ctrl A on Windows or Command A on a Mac while your cursor is in the message body, and all the text will be selected. Once your text is highlighted, look at the formatting toolbar at the bottom of the Compose window. This is the row of icons that lets you change things like bold, italic, text color, and alignment. If you don't see this toolbar, click the underlined A icon to expand the formatting options. On that toolbar, find the font size option. It usually appears as a small letter and a larger letter side by side, or as a number with a small arrow next to it. Click this font size icon to open a small menu. This menu shows several preset size options such as small, normal, large, or huge, depending on your version of Gmail. Now simply choose the size you want from the list. As soon as you click on a size, the highlighted text in your email will immediately change to that new font size. Take a moment to look it over and see if it matches what you had in mind. If it looks too big or too small, you can highlight the text again, reopen the font size menu, and pick a different option until it feels right. When you're happy with how the font size looks, you can continue writing, adding formatting, or just send your email as usual. That's all you need to do to change the font size in Gmail.